Syukur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Sorkar Jela Shen kat Sapli biang ke stadium ke Barimtam hapo ke Jela ke Jawahar Lal Nehru Stadium ke Badan Apollo. Bargani ke Lyngba ke Jingwan ke Limpung yelek kai football ke Bala Rim ke Doba Asia kata ke 133rd Durand Cup Arjar Arpusau hagani ke Nongba Shlong. Kini kan long ke sin ke Beningkong ban penlong ha ke Nongba Shlong yiki kat tu kat ni tadi jing yelek kai nalor ke Jamshedpur Kokrajhar bat ke Kolkata ha ke bat ni Shimbentar ke Arpusau teli kikin hon kiba na ke Indian Super League I-League bat kumjuru ni ki artli kikin hon na Nepal bat Bangladesh haringkat bat ki kattu kat ni kikin hon jelek kai jong ki sipai hanong ba Shillong an penlong yi jing jelek kai jong ke group F ki bakin top yi Shillong Lajong Football Club bat kumjuru yi ki artli kikin hon jelek kai Indian Super League kata ke FC Goa bat ke Hyderabad FC lembat ke wei kikin hon na Nepal ke Tribhuwan Army FC. Hagi ni kindiat benai bala dep kata ke stadium kalong ke basuki bah agar kom pentrei bat kene kala kta bah yi nong let nong wan kata ke stadium henry hedin bala pentikena ban penlong yi ke Durand Cup hagi ni ke nong ba lasdang ban pen state yi ke kom trei da ke bawan ra khambon susu ki nong trei hadin ke jing sha khanra yi ki kot kisla jong nong trei bar jela ki balawan ban bela da ki kot jong ke seng KSU ke Sorkar jela kala Pynkhlaiñ yi ki bor Pahara ha ke bakala buru de ki bor pulit bat ke CRPF khnang ban ajing da yi ki nong bela kat kum ke jing yo jing tip la ong ba ke jing trei menta hapo ke stadium kala ya baro Arpusau kenta khnang ban pendep no ha ke por ke bapiang namar kum bakalong menta kadang sa satang khat khandai sngi ha shwa ban sedang ya ke ni ke lempung ha ke ni ke nong ba.
So as we all know, Durand is a prestigious football tournament, very well recognized globally, and we are very happy that Shillong will be hosting 6 matches of the Durand this year. So the opening ceremony, the first match will be on the 2nd of August. And we'll also be reopening the JN Stadium. As you know, the JN Stadium has been under renovation for quite some time. We are adding brand 2 new stands. We are creating seating in all the bowls, and we are making JN Stadium into a more competitive and with natural turf to host international style matches. So a whole revamping of the JN Stadium is also going on. So we are very happy from the sports department, from the state government, that we are using the Durand to reopen the JN Stadium also. So a lot of work, given the challenges, as you all know, of the rain and the weather we have here. So basically construction work still, there are some last minute activities that are going on. So the engineering team is working very hard. So Army General Malik, he made a statement that our field of play is probably the best in the Northeast. Only 3 months ago, we had a lot of difficulties with the grass not growing so well and other challenges, but we got the experts and we did everything that we could. And now we have, I think, a world-class field of play. Hosting an event of this size, 6 matches, we have basically 4 teams which will be participating in these matches. Our own Shillong Lajong, then the Hyderabad FC, the Goa FC, and the Nepal team. One international team from Nepal. So these are the 4 teams which are participating. So hosting a match like this means several things. First is we start with the infrastructure. So as I said, we are getting ready with that. Second is actually filling the stadium, getting the people excited about this because it's a great event. So the capacity of the stadium is 19,000. So we want to fill the stadium.